Third, we apologize because forgiveness restores us. If we don't apologize for our sin, it weighs us down. David said, "When I kept silent about my sin, my body wasted away through my groaning all day long." Unconfessed sin weighs us down with guilt and shame for how we've treated God. If we wait too long to apologize for our sin, our guilt can turn into self-condemnation, which may even cause us to quit walking with the Lord. When we apologize to God, our fellowship with Him is immediately restored, and we can feel the joy of our salvation and forgiveness. David said, "How blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered." When we apologize, we experience God like Nehemiah did. You are a God of forgiveness, gracious and compassionate, slow to anger, and abounding in loving kindness. When we apologize to God, His forgiveness restores us to peace with Him.